2 days before, Satwik came and I called him. Also, he came and had a 2 hours discussion. That time also he has told me that doctor, some unwanted people are spreading rumors. Don't believe it, because I know my constituency people have voted against the BJP. I cannot go against the wishes of the people of the Goa and my constituency. So even yesterday night after 7 o'clock, Subhash, I was with Subhash. He was talking about his family issues, this thing and all that. He was sharing everything to me. But I also he has assured that I will never leave doctor. They are scared of something. In that way, how when Vishwajit left Congress, the same thing was there like that. That time, before leaving, Vishwajit called me and told that, Doctor, the BJP National President Amit Shah is after my life. I have no other option. Now, that's the reason I am leaving Congress like that. I asked him, what is the problem? No, you send somebody to my house, they will come to know. They are after my life, they will kill my family. Like that he has told. Then after that he left Congress. Then I had also totally disconnected my contact with Vishwajit also. And particularly Amit Shah Modi combination is not like Congress factor. You don't underestimate them. I will come and explain everything to you. They are the murderous, ruthless fellows. They will go to any extent. They are after my life. They are after my children. They will kill my family. That is the reason I have no way I am sitting there in the BJP. But I am a congressman. No, I am not claiming. You ask him whether he has told or not. You ask him. It is not me. I never called him. He called me from his phone mobile. He always, every time he used to tell.
उरिल्ले 14 कशेच हालचे ना. अजूनय काय बीजेपीचे आमदार संपर्कात आसात. सरकार घडो येता म्हूण चेल्लाकुमार मिडिया मुखार उलोवन दाखयता.
I have never ruled out any possibility. I thought the thing, people, those who have the faith on the people of the Goa, we will go with them.
So you always said that there are many BJP MLAs in touch with you.
Yes, no doubt.
At least now you will move forward to get them in Congress.
So you are ready to break BJP.
I cannot
They,
give any
they
answer
have
for
already
this
break your party.
I cannot give any reply to your question at all.
But are you confident that you are going to keep intact your leaders, all 14 MLAs?
Yeah, I am very confident.
That 14 MLAs
Yes,
is going
14.
to be
Yeah,
remain
confident.
strong.
You are meeting now with MLAs today.
No, I am from morning. I am in touch with everyone.
सोपटे आणि सुभाष गेल्या उपरांत काँग्रेस आमदारांची बसका जाली. बहुमत सिद्ध करपाचो दावो अजूनय आसा म्हूण काँग्रेस सांगता.
आणि आयज जे तेमी कृती केल्ली आसा, जे परत एक फावटी पयशाचो आणि सगळे गव्हर्मेंट मशिनरी जे सेंट्रलाचो पावर यूज करून ज्या पद्दतीन आयज 2 आमदारांक तेमी फोडलात, ते परत एक फावटी दाखोवन दिल्लें आसा की सत्ता दवरपाक, सत्ता हासील करपाक खंयच्याय लेवलाक ते वयतात.
Just because you want to be in power by hook or crook, by murdering democracy, by destroying the democratic institutions, by using and usurping the custodian of the constitution, the office of the governor, it is a matter of shame.
आपल्यागे फायद्याक हे दोगोय कॅन्डिडेट बीजेपी गेले. हे दोन्ही कॅन्डिडेटाचेर आमी कॅन्डिडेट घातले. जो विश्वासघात बीजेपीन हेंका करपा लायला. जी पार्टी म्हणटाली काँग्रेस मुक्त 3 दिया जाय म्हणटाली ती गोंया हेंकोडे काँग्रेस MLA व्हरपा परिस्थिती येयल्या. वी विल फायट. वी विल टेक दिस फायट टू द पीपल. वी आर हेल बेंट इन टेलिंग द पीपल ऑफ गोवा द काँग्रेस पार्टी इज नॉट गेटिंग स्कॅर्ड ऑफ द BJP पार्टी इन गोवा. वी विल फाइट. वी विल सी दैट वी विन द सीट्स एंड टीच अ BJP a lesson.
Not correct for just speaking out MLAs. Because we are in the 21st century and we are a mature democracy. And they should not indulge in this kind of cannibalism, I would call it. And Goa, the people of Goa with these MLAs?
पूण आमी तेंचे मनशां कोणाकच टच करून आयज पर्यंत आनी आमकां टच करपाची गरज ना कारण काही लोक जे आसा आमच्या लिडरांचे संपर्क आसा आनी ते संपर्क जे आसा आनी आमकां वाटचाल 6 म्हयने वचपाक पडत पूण कांय नजो अशें कितें रोखडीच इलेक्शन आसा विदीन 6 मंथ्स त्यांनी इलेक्शन वचपाक जाय पार्लमेंटाचें इलेक्शन आसा पूण जी पार्टी जी लोकां सांगता सगळे तरेची तुका ध्येय धोरणां हें तें सगळे तरी सांगता की हेजी पार्टी सामकी ही पार्टीन अशें दुसरे पार्टीच्या लोकांक व्हरप नासता.
मध्यावधी जावं पोटवेंचणुको एप्रील मायात गोंयांत लोकसभे बरोबर वेंचणुको आसातच. कोण जिखतलो कोण पडटलो ते तेन्नाच कळपाचें. मात सद्याचे घडयेक काँग्रेसीन सगळ्यात मोठ्या पक्षाचो स्टेटस वगडायला आनी बीजेपीक सरकाराचे नेतृत्व बदलाची वाट मेकळी जाल्या इतली खरी. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी ओमकार फळारी.